questions. Question 1. What was the objective of the Students on Ice program? Student on Ice program. Answer. The objective of the Students on Ice program was to offer the future generation of policymakers a life-changing experience at an early age. At this age, the students were willing to learn, absorb the information and most importantly act. Mr. Jeff Green provided high show students an opportunity to understand and develop respect for our planet. Question 2. How did Antarctica amaze the writer when she first saw it?
अंटार्कटिका ये रुक जाता है कभी कभी।
अंटार्कटिका ने लेखिका को कैसे विस्मित किया जब उसने पहली बार देखा था?
Or how did author feel when she reached Antarctica?
नहीं है ये उस पे जो ये है
या जब लेखिका अंटार्कटिका पहुंचो उसे कैसा महसूस हुआ था?
वर्ड पे
Answer. The writer was amazed to see the vastness and isolation Antarctica. The wide beauty of the place left her wonderstruck. She wondered how there could have been a time when India and Antarctica were part of the same landmass Gondwana. Question 3. Why is Antarctica important in the study of the history of the Earth?
अंटार्कटिका पृथ्वी के इतिहास के अध्ययन में महत्वपूर्ण क्यों है?
Answer. Antarctica is important in the study of the history of the Earth because it holds in its ice cores half-million-year-old carbon records trapped in its layers of ice. If we want to study and examine the Earth's past, present and future, Antarctica is the place to go. Its vast white landscape and blue horizon give scientists a perfect platform to understand the planet's past, present and future. Question 4. How is Antarctica the perfect place to study environmental changes?
प्राकृतिक बदलावी के अध्ययन के लिए अंटार्कटिका उचित स्थान कैसे है?
फोन देखना
Answer. Antarctica is the perfect place to study environmental changes. On study and understanding of Antarctica gives us an insight into how the Earth was like before it was forced to separate into continents and countries. Its understanding can make the students realize the danger of global warming. Besides, Antarctica is the ideal place to know how small changes in the environment can have big repercussions. Question 5. Describe the environment of Antarctica.
अथवा अंटार्कटिका के पर्यावरण का वर्णन कीजिए।
Answer. Antarctica is a place where 90% of the Earth's surface is ice mass in the form of ice floes and glacier. It is a place devoid of any human markers like trees, billboards and buildings. As the day passes in surreal 24-hour austral summer light, a silence prevails which is interrupted only by the occasional avalanche or caving ice sheet. Hence, it is essentially a frozen desert with severely harsh conditions. Question 6. What wonders did the author realize when she reached Antarctica?
जब लेखिका अंटार्कटिका पहुंची तो उसे क्या आश्चर्य अनुभव हुआ?
Answer. The author experienced profound wonder at the immense white landscape with pure blue horizon. She also wondered the fact that Antarctica, which is so cold now, once was part of the same landmass in which India was also present. The author found Antarctica to be extremely cold. Question 7. What did the author realize, reaching Antarctica?
अंटार्कटिका पहुंचकर लेखिका ने क्या अनुभव किया?
Answer. When the author reached Antarctica, she realized that everything in our nature are connected with each other. The ecosystems function similarly. The view that she got in Antarctica of the crabita seals that were stretching and sunning themselves on ice floes reminded her of what the stray dogs would do under the ahade of a banyan tree. Question 8. How did the author reach Antarctica?
लेखिका अंटार्कटिका कैसे पहुंची?
Answer. The author traveled to Antarctica on a Russian research vessel, Akademik Shekalsky. She started her journey from Madras, crossed 9 time zones, 6 checkpoints, 3 bodies of water, and many ecospheres. She traveled over 100 hours by car, by an aeroplane, and on a ship to reach Antarctica. Long answer type questions. Question 1. What is the significance of the title Journey to the End of the Earth? Journey to the End of the Earth. Answer. The title assumes significance of journey as the author travels to Antarctica, which is the southernmost part of Earth and almost appears at the end of it. This chapter is a memoir of the author's journey to Antarctica with high school students on board a Russian vessel. The 2 poles north and south virtually signify 2 ends of the planet Earth. The journey takes the author across 9 time zones, 3 water bodies, 3 ecosystems, and 6 checkpoints, which implies that almost the whole of the planet has been traveled before one reaches to the end of it. As Antarctica is at one end of the planet, it is without human existence. There is no biodiversity, no sign of billboards or trees. It is a place far, far away from the crowd, noise, and pollution. Thus, Journey to the End of the Earth is an apt title. Question 2. What impact has human civilization had on our environment?
मानव सभ्यता का हमारे पर्यावरण पर क्या प्रभाव पड़ता है?
Answer. The human civilization has been around for 12,000 years, which is just a few seconds on the geological clock. In such a short span of time, man has damaged the environment beyond repair. He has spoiled natural beauty of places by putting cemented structures in its place. The peaceful and vibrant atmosphere has been replaced by the noise and clutter as a result of too much human population. Trees have been widely cut by greedy mankind, resulting in soil erosion and deserts. The new inventions, creation of new cities, megacities, have directly or indirectly left a damaging impact on environment. The resources which are limited are being consumed at a fast rate due to mega increase in human population. Unstopped burning of fossil fuels has now created a blanket of carbon and smog around the world, which is gradually increasing the average global temperature. Man is indirectly responsible for the big debate on climate change. Will Antarctica ice sheet melt entirely? Will Gulf Stream ocean current be disrupted? And many more such damages are likely to happen. And for all this, humans and humans alone can be held responsible. Question 3. What is there in Antarctica? How is silence interrupted there sometimes?
अंटार्कटिका में क्या है? वहां की शांति में कभी-कभी विघ्न हलचल क्यों होती है?
Or describe Antarctica in your own words on the basis of the lesson Journey to the End of the Earth.
पाठ जर्नी टू द एंड ऑफ द अर्थ के आधार पर अंटार्कटिका का वर्णन अपने शब्दों में कीजिए।
Answer. Antarctica is a home to 90% of the Earth's total ice volumes. It is a simple ecosystem and lacks a lot of biodiversity found in other warmer regions. But an individual can find small creatures like midges and mites and huge creatures like blue whales along with icebergs as big as countries. The place, as is untouched by humans and inventions, is a quiet place which is only interrupted by falling mass of snow rapidly down a mountain. Question 4. What was the Students on Ice program? What was its aim? Students on Ice.
इसका उद्देश्य क्या था?
Answer. Students on Ice was an award-winning program offering unique learning expeditions in the Antarctic and the Arctic headed by a Canadian, Jeff Green. Its mandate is to provide students from around the world with inspiring educational opportunities. Students on Ice aims to foster future environmental ambassadors through hands-on educational experiences on climate change in the polar regions. It is designed to educate students about climate change and more specifically how human activity is affecting the poles. Question 5. Assess the human impact on Antarctica.
अंटार्कटिका पर मानव के प्रभाव का वर्णन कीजिए।
Answer. Man has had a destructive impact on Antarctica. In a short span of human history, man has managed to destroy nature and create villages, towns, cities and megacities. Rapid human population growth and limited resources exert pressure on land. Burning of fossil fuels has only helped in increasing the average global temperature. Melting of ice caps, depletion of ozone layers and global warming are the real and immediate dangers for Antarctica, but they have been created by mankind only.
वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। ओके।